I'm here to take my second shot. So what happened, I took the first shot and then I catch COVID after that. And went to the hospital for 2 weeks. And I went through a lot in there. If I had taken the second one already, I wouldn't be in that position. Because it's the first shot that helped me to recover. Because I wasn't sure if I was going to make it. But because of the first shot, it helped me to get my figures up. Because I was on oxygen, unconscious, having short of breath, it was affecting my lungs. Right. My lungs, my figures, breathing figures was very low. So I got over it with prayers. I have to put God into it. So I got over it. So I would encourage anybody to take their shots because it helps. I was called by the health authority to do my second shot, but I couldn't have made it the day. And then I was hesitant, not trying to find out when was the next day or what. As I said, I would encourage anybody, go ahead, take your shots because do help. I'm talking from experience. And what I went through in the hospital wasn't nice. I was on a machine, and as I said, the doctor said they are not sure, but pray. And that's what I did. With family helps and friends help, the praying helps me. I was in there for 2 weeks. So, the 2 weeks, that was very hard for me. As I said, sometimes I was unconscious. And what I went through in there, I wouldn't want anybody else to go through it. So take your shots and just be safe.